I like to share with you a different type of trade that had meaning, that was special. And Friday, I want to share with you. I call it. I pushed the wrong button. Let's go back like 40 minutes. I was watching ZS, okay, and I love to see the higher low. I love this formation, so I start building the position around here, and then above here I added a little more, and then I thought about this level here. Um, has lots of edge to go. So I got here, and I took a partial, whatever, because it was side move, and usually Friday at that time I'm going out, so I always had like a quarter, and then I thought I will add a half, and then I add around here. I want to introduce my one-on-one mentoring. It's a program we're doing live. We're working to improve our trading skills, building a trading plan, risk management, all the technical details, live trading between session and session going over, and all in order to cause you to be a better trader than you are. Then it hit, and then it side move. And I didn't put, because of the spread, stop in the system, but then I saw the stock going around here. And I don't know why, because my P&L usually is on the side. I'm not watching it. Suddenly I thought I was in profit. And as it was going down, it took me like maybe 2 3 seconds to understand that when I add here, I actually pushed the short button. So from this point, all this move, was in my favorite. So around this level, I actually got out. So wrong button, but got the right direction. So it happened. Hopefully, it's not going to happen to me on a daily basis.